eighth race field is on gate. Here they come. And they're off and pacing. There goes Just the Bee on the outside after the lead. And along the inside, that's All About Boys. Back to third. Call Me Maybe. And we have Ugly Betty in fourth. Inside fifth, that's Makes Her Mark. Racing in sixth, Badland Love. Country Delight and Free Time as they head to the opening quarter. Just a Bee has the lead on the inside second. All About Boys following in third. Call Me Maybe. 28, 2 fifths. As they head around the far turn, Just a Bee on the lead. All About Boys is second. Call Me Maybe along the inside third. Ugly Betty switches to the outside fourth as they head to the half. Racing in fifth, Makes Her Mark. Badland Love is sixth. Country Delight and Free Time trails at the half. Just a Bee, 57-4. All About Boys on the inside second. First over on the outside, Ugly Betty. Next in line along the inside, Call Me Maybe. Second over is Makes Her Mark. And along the inside, Badland Love as they head to the three-quarter pole. Just a Bee on top by a length and three-quarters. All About Boys right on her helmet in second now. Outside third, Ugly Betty, three-quarters in 1:26. As they head around the final turn, it's Just a Bee on top. All About Boys is second. Three wide on the outside. Here comes Country Delight. And along the inside, Call Me Maybe as they head for the wire. It's Just a Bee, your leader. All About Boys is second, but they're not going to get the Queen Bee tonight. Just a Bee all wrapped up. 154-2.